Now it's time for the final conditioning of this Coach Court bag. The step left after this is to polish up the brass pieces and reassemble the bag, so I'm very excited. Let's get conditioning. Using the Bic 4 leather conditioner again today and a microfiber towel. I used a black saddle soap, so I'm expecting some of it to come off on here. We'll see. It's definitely coming off a little. I guess that's good. It's better than coming off on my clothes. And then I just want to go through and get the corners one more time. I have to wait a little and then buff it out.